Welcome to the future of online earning, where creativity meets cutting-edge technology. In this guide, we're unlocking the potential of 4 powerful AI tools that can help you generate income from anywhere in the world. Whether you're a content creator, entrepreneur, or simply curious about the possibilities of artificial intelligence, these tools are designed to make your workflow smarter, faster, and more profitable. First up, let's dive into Videogen. Imagine creating professional-grade videos in minutes without needing expensive equipment or advanced editing skills. With Videogen's AI-powered video generation, you simply input your script or key points, choose your preferred style, and let the tool do the rest. Videogen uses advanced algorithms to assemble scenes, add graphics, and even animate text, resulting in sleek, dynamic videos ready for YouTube, social media, or your next product launch. Monetize your skills by offering video content creation services, or build your own channel with high-impact visuals that captivate your audience. The best part? Videogen's futuristic interface makes the creative process intuitive, so you can focus on your ideas while the AI handles the production. Next, we turn to Mubert, a revolutionary platform for music creation. If you're tired of copyright headaches or searching endlessly for background tracks, Mubert's AI engine generates unique royalty-free music tailored to your project. Simply select your mood, genre, and duration, and watch as luminous sound waves pulse across the screen, transforming your vision into audio reality. You can sell custom tracks, enhance your videos, or even create your own playlist for streaming platforms. Mubert's glowing animated graphics make the experience immersive, while its licensing options ensure you earn from every beat you create. It's creativity, accelerated by AI. Now let's meet Synthesia. This tool brings AI avatars to life, allowing you to produce engaging video presentations in over 60 languages with just a few clicks. Upload your script, choose your avatar, and Synthesia generates a polished video featuring realistic facial expressions and clear narration. Imagine producing training materials, explainer videos, or marketing content without hiring actors or booking studio time. With Synthesia, you can offer multilingual content services, reach global audiences, and scale your operations, all while the AI does the heavy lifting. The platform's sleek, abstract backgrounds and glowing text animations make every frame pop, ensuring your message stands out in today's competitive digital landscape. Finally, we have CustomGPT, a tool that empowers you to build your own AI chatbots tailored for business, customer service, or personal projects. With an intuitive drag-and-drop interface, you can design bots that answer questions, recommend products, or guide users through complex processes. CustomGPT leverages powerful language models to deliver natural, engaging conversations, helping you automate sales, enhance support, and grow your brand. Monetize your expertise by creating and selling custom bots to clients, or use them to streamline your own operations. The platform's futuristic graphics and glowing logos make customization inspiring and straightforward. Each of these tools represents a leap forward in how we create, communicate, and earn online. They're not just software, they're gateways to new possibilities, designed for creators who want to stay ahead of the curve. The interfaces are modern and intuitive, filled with abstract visuals and glowing elements that make every moment feel like you're working inside the future. So, whether you're looking to make videos, compose music, produce multilingual presentations, or build smart chatbots, these AI-powered platforms have you covered. The technology is here and it's ready to work for you. Each tool is powerful, intuitive, and built specifically for today's creators. Start now. The links are waiting in the description. Explore AI. Start earning.